What's up, everybody? Today I'm here to show you 3 tricks, hacks, whatever you want to call it, to up your Instagram story game. So a couple months ago, I actually posted a couple photos onto my Instagram story without having to use any other apps. And a lot of people were interested, DM'd me and asked me how. So I thought I'd create a video about it. So the first thing you will do, actually, let me get my screen recording on and we can get that started. First thing you would want to do is go into your Instagram story, create something. Let me just select my new shoes. Okay. And then you'll go into your photo album, click on this button to the left, bottom left, click copy photo, and when you go over to your Instagram, an add sticker should appear where you're able to add that as a sticker onto your template. Another thing that you can do is actually, again, copy the photo, and say you're too busy, you don't see that add sticker button appear, it might be too late, you can actually just paste it as a sticker. So here is another photo. And those are the 2 ways where you can keep doing that. You can add up to, I think it's 6. Let's actually try that right now. I don't know what the limit is, if there is one. Maybe I can just keep copying the photo over. So, all right. Okay, that's 3 pictures. Let's try again. That's 4. It's 5. Okay, at this rate, I don't think there is a limit on how many pictures you can add to your Instagram story. But let me know if you try and there is a limit. I'm like way too lazy to test that out. The next tip and trick here is actually turning this text right above to a rainbow text. So first you wanna click on the whole text, click select all. At the bottom down here, click on one of the colors. I am going to choose yellow. And while you're holding on to that color, click on one of these blue dots right here that's highlighting the text, and you will at the same time move your fingers. Oh, let's move all this. I just made my font into a rainbow. So you got the greens and then it becomes purple. The next thing that you can do is actually turning the background into one solid color and then using the eraser to kind of do some cool tricks. So do you remember when we had those like doodle magnet boards? You would fill the whole thing with the black background or the metallic background, and then you like write with the eraser over it. That was pretty cool. So let me just show you what I mean, because I know that's like a kind of bad of a description. So first, you want to go into this drawing tool, which is the little squiggly next to the capital A and the lowercase a. And you want to click on a color that you want. So I think right now I would like my background to be, how about this pink color? Okay, and then you will tap onto your screen and hold it, and it turns the whole screen into that color. So cool. Okay, and what you can do now is actually use this eraser to show the background. So I can literally do like, I don't know, let's just do some cool stuff like that. Isn't that cool? Okay, I know this is kind of weird looking because there's like stickers on top of it, so it's not doing anything there, but let's see if we do something else. Like, that's done with. I think we can do some pretty cool stuff. So let's say we just take a picture of me. Hi. Okay. And then we go into this drawing thing and we click on pink again. Oh, it turns the whole phone pink. Okay, with their erase. Okay, I think my face was around right here. Oh, wow, that is cool. This is too cool. So look, you can literally write, draw an animal. And that is obviously not an animal. I was thinking of a TV, but. Okay, well, there you have it. 3 tricks on how to up your Instagram story game. Hope you like them. Hope you learned something new. And if you're anything like me, I hate having a lot of apps. So the fact that I can delete one of my collage apps and just work off of Instagram is a huge, huge win. If you found this video helpful, obviously like it and subscribe. Let me know what kind of videos I should make because I'm kind of new to this thing. So yeah, I need more questions. I need more ideas. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Bye.